Important multiple choice questions for all competitive exams on the topic Indian Railways. Let us start. Question 1. When was the first railway line in India opened? Correct answer is option B, 1853. Question 2. What is the total length of the Indian Railways network? Correct answer is option C, 1 lakh kilometers approximately. Question 3. Which is the longest railway platform in India? Correct answer is option A, Howrah Junction, Kolkata. Question 4. Which is the first fully electrified zone in the Indian Railways? Correct answer is option D, Southern Railway Zone. Question 5. Who is known as the father of Indian Railways? Correct answer is option B, Lord Dalhousie. Question 6. Which is the fastest train in India? Correct answer is option C, Gatiman Express. Question 7. Which city is known as the headquarters of the Indian Railways? Correct answer is option A, Delhi. Question 8. Which is the first metro rail system in India? Correct answer is option B, Kolkata Metro. Question 9. What is the code name of the high-speed rail project between Mumbai and Ahmedabad? Correct answer is option D, bullet train. Question 10. Which Indian railway zone is the largest in terms of route kilometers? Correct answer is option C, Eastern Railway Zone. Question 11. Which is the first fully air-conditioned train in India? Correct answer is option D, Tejas Express. Question 12. What is the name of the luxury tourist train operated by Indian Railways? Correct answer is option D, Maharajas Express. Question 13. Which is the busiest railway station in India? Correct answer is option A, New Delhi Railway Station. Question 14. Which Indian railway zone is the first to be 100% electrified? Correct answer is option B, Southern Railway Zone. Question 15. Which is the highest railway station in India? Correct answer is option A, Gum, West Bengal. Question 16. What is the name of the luxury train that connects Delhi and Jaipur? Correct answer is option C, Pels on Wheels. Question 17. Which is the first railway museum in India? Correct answer is option A, National Rail Museum, Delhi. Question 18. Which Indian railway zone has the largest number of divisions? Correct answer is option B, Northern Railway Zone. Question 19. Which is the first Indian Railways train to run at the speed of 160 km per hour? Correct answer is option D, Vande Bharat Express. Question 20. Which is the longest railway tunnel in India? Correct answer is option A, Pir Panchal Railway Tunnel. To be continued. Subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.